All right, so we just got this in the mail. This is a Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner by AIPER, I do believe. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's in here. Have it open. So you get a envelope, and I do believe this is the manual. So it does come with a manual and some troubleshooting things. So let's hang on to that. We'll set it over here. Also comes with this. You guys can do a screenshot of it. Some helpful tips. And then basically, this is the unit here. I do believe. Get her out of there. All right. Set that there. Okay, so the top's already come off. So here it is. Bam. We'll keep this over here. We might need that. And this is the unit itself. Take a look. It's got 4 wheels. Got a couple spots for brushes. It's got your, I would imagine, your charging station there. Pretty basic. Set her down. Oops. And it also has a box, which I do believe has wheels. It's got a hook, charger, and some brushes. So let's go ahead and we'll spill this out over here. Close the box up because we may need to use that box later. So it comes with 2 extra wheels, right? It comes with the motor brushes, or not motor brushes, but the brushes for the unit itself. And it's got a hook, so when it's in the pool, you can pull it out. And then it's got the charger. And I think that these things you set underneath it when it's charging so that this here will not be pushed against the floor. That's what I think it is. So let's go ahead and leave those over there. Slide that out of the way. All right, let's take a look at the unit itself. Okay. All right, so this is the AIPER Seagull SE. I think I'm saying that right. I do believe this is an A-I-P-E-R. And it's pretty simple. This is the handle here you pick it up with. And to open it, to look inside, well, let's just go ahead and flip it over first. They say not to put it on its back like this because you could injure the handle, but I don't think it's going to do that. If you look here, you're going to have, this is where you're going to plug in for your power to charge it. And it has 4 wheels. That 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you're going to put some brushes. It comes with these brushes. So when you get it, it comes with 2 brushes. And those brushes will go right in here. I'm not going to put them in yet. We're going to hold them out still. And that's where you, this is where you're going to charge it. To get it apart, there's a latch in the front, latch in the back. And then what you would do is you grab the sides and pull, and it opens up just like that. I'm going to set it down. So you'll see 2 spots here, 2 catches here. This is the filter. Notice it has like a little bit of a channel here, and it's more flat on this side. So make sure that you put it in that way. So you pull it out, and then all the refuse will be in here, and all you have to do is basically just, hose it out with a hose. And to put it back together is pretty simple. Just leave that there. And you'll notice on here, there's this little area. So you want to make sure that you get that right there. And then you're going to set it down in there. See here, this, and here, this. So that's got to go like that. Otherwise it won't fit. And then you set her down. Make sure that these are out. And then you're just going to pop this down and close these off. And that's it right there. This is the one that you pop on that side, that one on that side. And on these sides, you just pull these on the side here. There's 2 of them to get it off. That's basically it right there. This is the on button here. All right, to charge it, it says not to flip it over, but I'm going to flip it over for right now. We're going to go ahead and get our charge cord. And you know, we need to charge it before we do anything, right? So let's go ahead and let's get it charged. I got a wall socket right here, so we can plug it in there. And then we're just going to plug it in here. Now when you look, you're going to see there's a little indentation there. You want to make sure you get it the right way. As soon as I do that, we're going to get this blue signal. We got to wait for that to turn solid blue, and then bam, we can go ahead and try it out. But anyway, that's what comes in the box. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this right here. Peace out.